I'm Chef Vicky from Tate Dining Room Bar of Hong Kong. So I'm the lucky one to receive 2 invitations for this ingredients challenge. One from Chef Liu Gaozhu of Golden Flower at Wynn Macau, and one from Chef Shi Weidong from Andrea's at Wynn Palace Cotai. So the 2 ingredients that I got is osmanthus flower and also the clementine. So both of them naturally are very fragrant and would go together perfectly in a dessert. And I think the natural bitterness of the osmanthus and also from the clementine would pair with something very citrus and something sugary. So in this dish, I wanted to challenge myself to use the whole clementine because I actually think the best part of the clementine is the skin. So we took the time to confit the skin and also infuse back in its own flesh and in a lighter form, a mousse, and also something chewy like the natural resin and a mochi into the dessert.